Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your ultimate girl, Tanya Lape. And today I'm here at Bojo River, and this is located in Aloguinsan, Cebu. And that's southwest ba, ma'am, no? Yeah, southwest of Cebu. So I was waiting for my friends earlier, but I'm not sure where are they now. And I can't wait to really try the cruise because this is my first time. And um, yeah, I just don't want to waste my time. And also, before you come here, you need to you need to do your bookings in the DOA, is it DOT portal. Then pasalamatan na jud kay ko nila kay nag-walk-in ko dire, and then ilara ko gipasakay. Supposedly it's not allowed since you really have to register through the portal. But thank you kay ate. By the way, this is my guide, si Ate. Kalimutan ko yung name. Yeah, this is Ate Erlinda. So if ever you'll be here in Bojo River, so just look for her to be your guide.
Thank you.
Yeah, because I think she's really knowledgeable about the area since she's also born here, mom, no?
Yes.
Yes, so right. And it's really nice. Look at this one. Diba? So that's the reason why I decided to just hop on the cruise. And wala na ako nag-wait sa conference kaya marag sayang kayong oras. And then the weather is a little bit gloomy and it started to drizzle na. So yeah. So I'll see you guys in a bit, and I'll tour you more around here in Bojo River. The entrance fee going inside the Bojo River is 20 pesos, and also they are following the 60% guest capacity. And always remember to wear your mask. A briefing should be done prior to the river cruise, and this is Miss Jamila, a train guide here in Bojo River, and she is ensuring me that there are no crocodiles in the river. Bojo River is actually consists of exactly 24 species of mangroves. For the river cruise, it costs 550 pesos and it comes with the sarok and also the life jacket and also with this tumbler and also the cottage as well. And you get to have a free water as well. And don't worry about the life jacket because they always disinfect this one every after use. And Ate Erlinda right here is taking the video, has been talking about me the history of the place and also the different situation it happened here before. And here, this is what we called unsa gani ni Ate?
Rubber mouth.
River mouth. So this is the river and then this is going out to the open sea.
The water nagmix na.
Oo.
Sugo din hi. Ang water from the sea and water from the river came from the spring.
Okay. Alright, so that's Ate Erlinda right there. So please do look for her if ever you'll be here in Bojo River because she's the best. Thank you so much, Ate. So this is her. Say hi to my vlog.